Fucking hell, Giles, yeah. I would say so nice to see you, but what the fuck is that?
Nice to see me. What's that?
It's like a UFO. What is it?
That's a Jaffa Cake. What happened to your misspent youth? Did you not eat Jaffa Cakes?
I love Jaffa Cakes, but that, I mean, my God almighty. Is it serious?
It's a pimped Jaffa Cake.
Who made it?
Well, I made it. Britain, home of the giant carrot and the unfeasibly large leek. Just what is it about old people and the growing of gigantic vegetables? Whatever it is, the craze for creating giant foodstuffs has been passed on to the young as well. But they're not interested in huge fruit and vegetables. Oh, no. They don't even know what vegetables are. What they're doing is making giant, predominantly carbohydrate-based snacks, biscuits, chocolate bars, that sort of thing. Something known on the street as pimping. I'm not making this up. Snack pimping is a real thing. It's even got its own website at pimpthatsnack.com. It's a genuine phenomenon. The Pimp That Snack site has nearly 200 mega munchies for us to feast our eyes on. I mean, get a load, for example, of this custard cream. See how the cup of tea gives it the scale. It's a whopper. Every stage of the pimping process is photographed and documented. This is fantastic. The chap has really, really pimped his Scotch egg. Having wheedled my way into the pimping community, I've been lucky enough to secure an introduction to a Mr. Soup Dog. Hello, Soup.
Hello, Giles.
Now, you pimped the fantastic fist of fudge, didn't you?
Indeed I did, yeah.
Fair enough, but why pimp anything at all?
A lot of it is the challenge. It's, you know, can you deconstruct the snack and then rebuild it up from its kind of core ingredients and, you know, hopefully then improve upon it.
Clearly, then, the first step for me is to take Soup's advice and deconstruct the traditional Jaffa Cake.
Sponge base, humectant, disodium diphosphate, smashing orangey bit. Excuse me?
Yeah?
Where do you have the dextrose monohydrate? If anybody stops and asks, personal consumption. Righty-ho, I need 240 grams of butter. That's 1.5 kilos. 450 of sugar. 6 tablespoons of corn flour. 18 eggs. The base is the key. If I can crack that, I can surely crack the giant Jaffa Cake. Voila. Now, the problem is, of course, that the domestic oven, particularly mine, is not big enough to cope with a giant Jaffa Cake, a pimped snack. I'm hoping you fit this in your oven. OK, let's see how it's turned out. It has Jaffa Cake written all over it.
To make the orange filling, I used a couple of packets of tangerine jelly mixed with boiling orange juice and some additional gelatin.
OK. The zesty jelly centre in its wet state. Right, time for the smashing orangey bit. Easy. Another picture. It just rolls off the edge. You have to remember that I'm not just baking a cake, I'm pimping a snack.
I'll send my pictures to the website where they'll join the other 200 snacks pimped to date and be subject to peer review. I named my pimped snack Jaffa Cake. Within 24 hours of my posting it, it went straight to #1, with over 300 voters giving it an average score of 9.24 out of 10.
I love Jaffa Cakes, but Christ almighty.
That is fantastic. How about that? That really looks like a Jaffa Cake.
Got one of your hairs in there, Giles. Is that hairs or...?
It's one of my girlfriend's hairs.
It's a girlfriend's hair.
Yeah, we did it in my kitchen at home.
I have to say, you know, I thought it was going to be delicious. It doesn't taste that good, do you know that?
It tastes terrible.
It tastes fucking plastic. Do me a favour. Fuck off and take a Jaffa Cake, will you?
Thank you very much. I hope you have success in all you do.
Thank you, Giles. God, dear.